Hello class 6, welcome to Ideal Classroom. This video has been specially made to cover exercise 3.3 of our NCERT book. So let's begin. Before starting the exercise, here are some points to remember. Question number 2. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and by 8. So here A part is 572. So first we start with by 4. So we have already learnt that a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by last two digit is divisible by 4. So in 572, 72 is last two digit of this number. So we have to check 72 is divisible by 4 or not. So 4 ones are 4, 4 8s are 32. So we got 0. It means yes, this number is divisible by 4. Also 572 is divisible by 4. So yes, 572 is divisible by 4 as number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4. Now coming to 8 by 8. The same rule, only we have to check last three digits of given number. So we have only 3 digits in this already number. So 572 by 8. 8 sevens are 56. 8 ones are 8. Now 4 is remainder. So 572 is not divisible by 8. It means no, 572 is not divisible by 8 as number formed by last three digits is not divisible by 8. Now B part. B part is 7,26,352. Now first by 4. So last two digit of this given number is 52. So first we divide 52 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. So we got 0 here. It means 52 is exactly divisible by 4. It means 7,26,352 is also divisible by 4. So yes, 7,26,352 is divisible by 4 as number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4. Now coming to by 8. We have to check last three digit of this number, 352. So 352. 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32. So we got 0 here. It means yes, this number is divisible by 8 also. Yes, 7,26,352 is divisible by 8 as number formed by last three digits. Here 3 digits we have to take. Last 3 digits is divisible by 8. In A and B part, we have learnt how to write answers in statement form. Also in exam, you have to write answer in statements. So to save our time, we are going to write down only yes or no here. But in exam or notebook, you will write down all the steps. So C part is 5500. So we have to check divisibility rule by 4 and then by 8. So first of all, by 4, we have already learnt that we have to check last two digits of every number. And for by 8, we have to check last 3 digits of every number. So here I am underlining the digits. Now first one is 5500. By 4, we have to check last two digits of the given number. We already know that 0 is divisible by every number. So 0 is also divisible by 4. So yes, this is divisible by 4. Now coming to by 8. We have to divide 500 because this is last 3 digits of the given number. So here 8, 6, 48. Now 2, 0, 2, 16. We have 4 here. So this is not divisible by 8. It means 5500 is also not divisible by 8. So answer is no. Next one is 6000. Last two digit is 0, 0. Same thing here we have done. So yes, this is divisible by 4. Now coming to by 8. Here 3 digits. Last 3 digits are 0. So the same thing we have to follow, that yes, 0 is also divisible by 8. Now coming to E part. 59. 59. 4 ones are 4. Now 4 fours are 16. Remainder is 3. So no, this is not divisible by 4. Now last 3 digit 159 here. By 8. 8 ones are 8. 7, 9. 8 nines are 72. Remainder is 7. So this is not exactly divisible by 8. It means 12,159 is not divisible by 8. So answer is no. Next one is 14,560. Last two digit is 60. Now 4 ones are 4. 2, 0. 4 fives are 20. We got 0 in here. It means yes, this number is divisible by 4. Last 3 digit of this number is 560. So 8 sevens are 56 and 0 here. It means yes, this number is also divisible by 8. Now 21,084. Last two digit 84 and 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4. Yes, this number is divisible by 4. And last 3 digit of this number is 84 again. We have to check 84. 8 ones are 8. And again we got only remainder 4. So now yes, no, this number is not divisible by 8. Now 72. And we all know 72 is multiple of 4 here. Then yes. And 72 is also multiple of 8. So yes. Now 20 here. We have already learned in first C part that 0 is divisible by every number. So yes, 0 is also divisible by 4. So answer is yes. Now 700 is last 3 digit of this number. 700. So 8 8s are 64. 60. 8 7s are 56. Now this is not divisible by 8. So it means no. The last part is 150. So last two digit is 50. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. We have 2 remainder. So no, this is not divisible by 8. Answer is no. Next one 150. Last 8 digit is 150. So 8 ones are 8 and 8 sevens are 8 eights are 64. So 6 remainder. So no, this is not divisible by 8. Question number 3. Using the divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. To find out divisibility rule of 6, first we have to divide the number by 2 and 3. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then yes, the number is also divisible by 6. So A part is 297,144. So first we have to check divisibility by 2. Now we have to check its last digit. So we have already learned it has even number in its last digit. So yes, this is divisible by 2. Its last digit is an even number. So 297,144 is divisible by 2. Now by 3. To check divisibility rule of 3, we have to add 2, 9, 7, 1, 4, 4. After adding all these digits, we got 27. And 27 is divisible by 3. So answer is 9. It means yes, this number is divisible by 3. So yes, this number is divisible by 3 because the sum of all digits is divisible by 3. So here by 2, its last digit is an even number. So this number is divisible by 2. By 3, yes, this number is divisible by 3 because the sum of all digits is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 2 and by 3 also. So yes, by 6, 297,144 is divisible by 6 because this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Answer. Here this part I am going to do in shortcut way, but in exam or notebook you have to write down all the statement. So here first is 1258. So first I will check divisibility rule by 2, then by 3. If this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then yes, this number is also divisible by 6, which we have already learnt in question number 1. So first of all we are going to divisibility rule by 2. So in 2 we have to check its last digit, which is 8532043002. If this is an even number, then yes, this is divisible by 2 also. So this is even number, yes. Odd number, no. It means 4335 is not divisible by 2. So no. Again no. 2 is an even number. Yes, this number is divisible by 2. 0, yes. 4, yes. 3, no. 0, yes. Last one is again 2, then yes. Now coming to divisibility rule by 3. We have already learnt in last video that we have to add all the given digit here. So here 1, 2, 5, 8. First we are going to add 1, 2, 5, 8. We get here 16, and 16 is not multiple of 3 or not divided by 3. So answer is no. Next one is 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5. We get 15 here. So yes, this number is divisible by 3. Next one is 6, 1, 2, 3, 3. So 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3, and we get here 15. Now 15 is multiple of 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Now 9, 0, 1, 3, 5, 2. So 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2, and we get here 20. And 20 is not multiple of 3 or not divided by 3. So answer is no. Next one is 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 0. And the sum of these digit is 27. And 27 is multiple of 3. So this number is divisible by 3 also. Now coming to next part. 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4. And after adding these digits we get 30. And 30 is multiple of 3. So this number is divided by 3 also. So yes. Next one is 1 plus 2, 5 plus 8 plus 3. And this is 19. And 19 is not multiple of 3. So answer is no. Next one is 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. After adding we get 21, and 21 is divided by 3. Now last one is 7. 1 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2. After adding these digits we get 23, and 23 is not multiple of 3. So answer is no. Now coming to divisibility test by 6. We have already learned in last question that in 1258 is divisible by 6 if this number is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. So 1258 is divisible by 2 but not by 3. So no, this number is also not divisible by 6. So we need 2 yes in both columns. It means 4335 is not divisible by 2, but this is divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 6. So here no, yes, it means no. Yes, no, it means no. Here we have 2 yes, it means this number is divisible by 2 and also by 3. It means yes, this number is divisible by 6 also. Answer is yes. Now yes, yes, it means again yes, this number is also divisible by 6. No, no, it means answer is no. Here both yes, it means yes. Yes and no, it means no. So we have to go through by 2, by 3 to find out divisibility rule by 6. Question number 4. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. For 11, first of all we have to find the difference between the sum of digit at odd place and sum of digit at even place. After that we have to find out difference. So if difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, so this number is divisible by 11. So now from right to left we have to see, this is first place, second place, third place, fourth place. So first place is odd, second place even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. So in this way, first we have to mark odd, even places. These are not digits, these are places. So here odd, even, odd, even, odd and even. Now check at odd places, the sum of the digit at odd places. Which are odd places? 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Now coming to even places. Even is 5 and 4. 5 plus 4, 9. Now difference. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. So 5445 is divisible by 11 because the difference is 0. So answer is yes. Now second one is again odd places. This is 4 plus 8 plus 1 equal to 13. Now coming to even places, here 2 and 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. Now difference 13 minus 2 is 11. Again yes, this number is 10,824 is divisible by 11 because difference is also 11. Now this one is odd places again. 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. 7, 3, 10, 10, 9, 19 and 5, 24. Even places 6 plus 8 plus 1. Now this is 15. 24 minus 15 is 9. So neither 0 nor divisible by 11. So this is not divisible by 11 and this was yes. Now here D part. Odd places 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. 6, 3, 9, 9 and 8, 17. Even places 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7. Now 17. 17 minus 17 equal to 0 and according to our divisibility rule we have here 0. Then this is also divisible by 11. Now odd number. Odd places here only 1. Here is again in even place 1. So 1 minus 1 we have difference is 0. So yes, this number is divisible by 11. Now last one is 3 plus 1 plus 0 which is 4 and even places 5 plus 9 which is 14. Again we are checking even place 5 plus 1 we missed 1 plus 9 equal to 9, 1, 10 and 5, 15. Difference is 15 minus 4 which is 11. So this is multiple of 11. It means yes, this number is divisible by 11. So answer is yes. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.